I wanted to show you guys this. My mother-in-law put me together a little care package full of really cool crochet and knitting, like just artsy themed things. And so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, here we go. How freaking cool is this first thing? Volume 169, okay? As you can see down here, volume 169, you can tell it's so old. It's very young fashions. And this is from Spinnerin. Yeah, that's it, Spinnerin. And it's got all these cool crochet patterns in it. And I'm excited because of how different these patterns are. Let me show you. Because literally it's from back in the day, right? So I kind of want to do a pattern and put my own twist on it. But I'm excited because it's so different than what I'm used to. Holy cow, what's this? What to knit. Stitches and patterns. There's 900 of them. This was $1.98. I want to see the year on this. Let's see. Does it say made in France? All right, I gotta be careful with this, y'all. Just be careful. This is made in France. Knitting patterns. So that's super cute. I'm excited about that. Then there is, all right, that's made. This cute little bag. What? How cute is this? How cute is this little bag? Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute with a little beach outfit. And it's definitely serving as some inspiration for some crochet bags. That's so cute. So cute. Knitting needles. A little cloth. Oh, with some more books down here. She gave me, y'all, my mother-in-law is so talented. So this is an apron she actually made. Okay. And she gave me this apron. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at it. So she made this apron and she gave it to me. So now I can wear a little apron while I'm creating. Okay, we got 2 more things, okay? Hang in there. And crochet hats. Okay, look how old this is. Please peep how old it is. This book was 40 cents. 40 cents, okay? Back in the day. Card. It's got quite a few different styles of hats, okay? And it's so funny because we come up with all these different styles and we think that they're brand new. But really, people have already tried them, okay? Next one, teach yourself to crochet. Teach yourself to crochet is the next one. Oh my God, look at these beautiful Afghans. Oh my goodness. They're beautiful. Okay, then we got this one, knitting. Another one on knitting. And then this one, which is another Learn to Knit book. Always investing in my new endeavors. So that is what we have, okay? So I'm gonna sit up here and continue drinking my tea. And we're gonna get a little crocheting done. But eventually we will be doing something with this box of items. And I will be wearing this purse.